Imagine meeting someone for the first time. You smile, reach out your hand, and they shake it. It feels completely normal. But who was the first person to do that? Nobody knows for sure. But the handshake is older than most countries, religions, and even many written languages. One popular theory goes back thousands of years. In a world where almost everyone carried a weapon, showing an empty right hand was a simple message. I'm not here to kill you. Some historians believe people even shook hands to prove they weren't hiding a knife in their sleeve. The gesture became so common that it started appearing in ancient art. One of the oldest known examples comes from ancient Mesopotamia around 9th century BC. A stone relief shows two rulers shaking hands while forming an alliance. The message was clear: trust, peace, agreement. The ancient Greeks used handshakes too. In their artwork, gods, warriors, and ordinary people are often shown grasping hands as equals. And that's what made the handshake different from bows or kneeling. It wasn't about submission, it was about mutual respect. Over time, the handshake spread across civilizations, survived empires, wars, revolutions, and eventually became one of the most universal human gestures on Earth. So who started it? We have no name, no face, no record, just some long-forgotten person who held out an empty hand and silently said, "You don't need to be afraid." And somehow, the rest of humanity copied them.